Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming video short series, and here we are going to just discuss out the very first type, that is single level inheritance in Python. Let's just see a quick theory about single level inheritance here. So single level inheritance means one child class inherits from one parent class. Okay, basically there would be two classes. One would be the parent class, one would be the child class. Okay, and one class, child class, is going to inherit the properties of parent class. So it's the most basic form of inheritance. Okay, so if I'll just take a real time example here, so you can see here, if we are having an animal and a dog class. Okay, so dog can actually inherit the properties of animal, right? So let's just go towards our Visual Studio Code, and here we are going to create our two classes. Of course, one would be animal and one would be dog, right? So let's just try to create a class of animal, which is going to have, let's say, two classes. I mean, two classes are having two methods. Let's say, so show method is just going to print out for me simply that animal. Okay, simply. And for dog, I can just say that I have a class of dog which is going to inherit my animal. So within the parentheses you can just write the parent classes, I mean parent class, because this is a single level inheritance. So I'm just going to create out another function here. Let's say it speaks. Okay, dog is actually speaking here. So here simply I'm just going to use the print statement, and it's like barking. Okay, so we know that dog is barking. So here let's just try to create the object for my dog class, and let's say D. I'm creating out the object for my dog class, and within by the help of this small d I can actually access to my show method, and by the help of small d I can actually access my speak method. This is what the beauty of inheritance. The child class object can inherit the properties and methods of my parent class. Let me save and let's just run the code. Okay, let me just close the other files. Let's just reload. So that's how we just receive the answer. Okay, animal and barking. So the show method is giving me the result for animal class, and dog class is giving me the result out for speak, right? So by the help of small d, which is the object of dog class and which is a child class for animal class, right? So I hope guys this is understandable, and in case if you are having any issues you can let me know. Thank you.